seems that the residents of a local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. Ike stashed a remote-triggered bomb down a nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now put it down next to the apartment block.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
Great! Now get out of there and blow them sky high. Excellent. Here's your cash. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. A weasel who fancies himself as a drug lord has got a shipment hidden in a bus to the east of the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway nearest this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is in the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, we've only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a little test. German, gut gemacht. Here's your money, but keep an eye open for the cops. Okay, move your fat butt over to the phones for more missions. This truck are several remote-controlled cars fitted with explosives. Use them to blow up other cars. If you can get more than 15,000 points in the next minute, I'll give you a few extra points. Ha! Very nice. Here's an extra 100 grand for your trouble.